okay? Now this is reality, no makeup, no nothing. What you see is what you get.
Yeah, that's what
Today,
we love.
first we're gonna take you on a quick slum area tour, which is in the Makati area as well.
Ah.
This is where you're gonna see how a family can live off maybe $3 Australian a day. You're gonna see the real Philippines, the way it is. Not like what the government wants you to see, or you're not gonna be in a tourist area. This is a poor community just right next to Makati. We're gonna buy biscuits for the kids.
Yeah, let's do that.
And you have to give it to the little children. This is when you guys gonna realize how lucky you guys are, because this is the real Philippines that you're gonna see. The real Makati.
Yeah.
And you see like little kids, you know, for a little bit of candy or a piece of biscuit, they'll be so happy, you know.
Hey.
Hello, buddy. PRC, it's a grocery store.
So, what's a bit of your background? You were from America at one point?
Correct.
LA, was it?
LA, I got deported.
Deported? What did you do?
I live in a lot of things here and there.
You don't have to say.
No, it's okay.
Hey, look,
you know,
we've
I'm a very transparent person. And I got a lot of friends from Australia, from Perth, Brisbane, Darwin, Melbourne, Sydney. And dude, we've been to the, you know, the good and the bad times out here. You know, a couple of years before the pandemic, even during lunchtime, you see a lot of our Aussie friends just having fun, hanging out, you know, not getting involved with any of these political bullshit around here. But, you know, you guys are just really great. That's why one day I'm going to be in Perth. We're going to get a little bit of groceries for the little kids. You know, some goodies that, you know, from the kindness of you guys' heart. We're going to distribute it to the little kids so they'll have something for dinner.
Awesome, man. Yeah, we'll get all the essentials. Alright, get a strong man. Alright, let's go. Hey, there he goes. How many kilos is that?
My friend's like buying rice for the slum area.
Let's go.
And
let's go.
we're gonna do this. We're gonna carry this. So it gets a bit heavy, but hey.
Hey, I got a flightly. I'm just carrying the GoPro. Hey, my friend, I've got a question for you. Have you ever tried Vegemite?
Not yet.
It's an Australian thing. I'm going to get you to try it later.
Okay.
We're going to see what your reaction is.
Okay.
It seems to be something only Aussies like, but I don't know. You might like it. I'm not expecting you to like it.
Is it a candy?
Do you want a hand with that?
I don't know.
Hey, buddy. Oh, we've lost it. I just put Roxy in charge. You don't like this? You like that one? America? No, Australia. You know Australia? Are these your cousins?
Yes.
Brothers, sisters?
That's my sister. It's my friend.
Your friends?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So this is a part of the Makati area. This is called Barangay Teros. As you can see, a lot of our people out here, you know, this is the place where they stay at. You know, this is the reality of it. You know, it's not a condo. This is where people actually live. You know, and that's why, you know, if we will be getting any support from you guys, once again, we have the manpower, but we don't have the startup thing to start for us to use our skills to be able to be productive in our community. But whatever support it is that you guys can provide, we would love to return our services to you guys. So we're just right here. You know, if there will be someone who would provide support for us, we'd rather have our friend from Australia provide goods directly, not to the hands of any politicians. I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's what
if you wanted to help out the poor community,
directly to the kids.
Directly to the kids. Don't give it to any political figures, pocket.
Because they take a cut.
Exactly.
Even some charities will take a cut. It's better to just, if you want to donate, just come direct to the source.
Go direct to the source.
Help people out.
You know, we got rice.
Hello.
Because you know what happened is, hopefully nobody would get hurt on this, but if you donate, for example, 1,000 pesos, luckily the poor community will get 100 of it.
The kids are so polite. He
Yeah,
said,
they
thank you,
are.
Paul.
Welcome.
Thank you, man.
So-
Hey, I appreciate that.
If they will donate, make sure they donate it good.
Thank you.
You're not.
Thank you po.
No, thank you for saying thank you. Hey, good kids, man. They're good kids. Hey, these things actually look really good. I'm thinking about lining up one myself. Do you have any of those sour? That's a lucky dip. All right.
Big. Wow.
Like these? All right, we'll open up these.
No.
But I get one. One.
Hello.
Oh, Pucci. I love these things. Pochi. Pochi.
If you really wanted to help out the poor community, you give out directly, like what we're doing.
Yeah, guys, if you ever want to donate, just give straight to the community like this. How many servings will that bag do? A lot? Hey, it looks like a lot. That's cool. Hey man, how are you? What's your name? Yeah? How are you? You live in this area? Yeah. Nice, brother. This is your bike? Yes. Hey, sick man.
Rice is actually one of the main things that we need up here. Each and every family, when they cook, you know, the main food that they eat is rice. So for 1 kilo of rice, it will feed. Tay, ilang katao sa isang kilo? For every 1 kilo of rice, they can feed like 5 members of the family.
That's amazing. 5
Per meal.
families.
Yeah.
Wow.
So can you imagine? It doesn't cost nothing, but
Okay, put 1,000 down for soft drinks.
bilhin mo ilan naman, di ba? Apat. Magkano ba?
Do Filipinos love Coke?
Sorry?
Filipinos love Coke, don't
Yeah,
they?
they do.
They love it. I've noticed that. Coke for everyone.
Maglabas ka na, ano?
Hey, we have Coke for the whole community. There might even be a glass left for me, maybe, but we're gonna step a little bit away from the madness. Everyone's coming over. Oh, I'm embarrassed. Hey, I got like a cheerleaders. They're going, Mark, go, Mark. Hey, this is mayhem, man. Everyone's coming. All right, one at a time. In the noodle cup. In the noodle cup. Okay. Oh, get off the road. Hey, this kid's smart. He put in the big noodle cup. I've got a whole cheer party here. Thank you. See you later. All right, wasn't that good? So it's starting to rain a bit, so we are going to get out of here, but we have an exclusive interview set up tonight.
Yes.
Who are we going to interview?
We're going to interview a couple of females that work in the red light district. So then you can really see how things work, you know, with the women out here. A lot of them are just being forced to work in the red light district, you know. It's actually not their thing to be there, but they have no choice because of poverty.
We are going to get Jojo to taste the famous Australian Vegemite. So what we need you to do, scoop all of it out with this part and just eat the whole lot in one go.
Yeah, open.
And if you don't like the taste, I have another Australian treat for you. We just want your honest reaction. No. Hey, this is a delicacy in Australia. So the whole thing, I'll take that. Vegemite. Just the whole thing on there and then straight in your mouth.
How it tastes?
Is it good?
I don't like it.
Hey, quick. Hey, quick, eat a caramello koala. Eat this. This is nice.
Oh no.
No, this is good. This is good. That's your reaction to Vegemite?
That shit's awful, man.
So we waited around for about half an hour for Jojo, but unfortunately Jojo was a no-show. We don't know where he is. We've asked the security if he comes up, can he let us know? But yeah, we did have another interview lined up, but we'll see what happens. If not, we've got other videos coming, don't worry, and I'll see you next time.